Hi everybody. Say hi.
Hello.
This is Erica, my daughter. I'm Laura with Life with Laura Michaels. Hey, it's Sunday and we are here at the Clinton County 4-H Fair. And look at here, we've got some lambs coming in. Everybody's getting set up for the big 4-H fair coming this week in St. John's, Michigan.
Yeah, you noisy guy.
Here, let's move out of their way. We have lambs and sheep. Look at there. And then we have some hogs. Also, they've been herding these little guys in a little bit at a time. There's one big hog right there. Hi. Alright, well I'm gonna let you guys go for right now and we'll be back with some more. Alright, again this is Life with Laura Michaels and today we're in St. John's, Michigan at the Clinton County 4-H Fair. So right now I'm gonna end this video and I'll bring you out some more here in a little while. Alright, again, have a great afternoon. Bye.